Hello, my amazing fourth graders, and welcome back for another day of working on 3D art. Today's project is going to begin creating a project that is based on the combination of two-dimensional art, so flat art, and three-dimensional sculpture. So what you can see here on the sculpture is that I have taken all the letters of my surname and created them in all kinds of different ways and then combined them into a structure that is designed to create a different sculpture that looks different from all angles. Okay, boys and girls, let's get started looking at how we are going to begin designing the various parts for our sculpture. At your table, you will have two pieces of paper. Since we want our letters to be nice and thick, we are going to combine two pieces of drawing paper by first gluing them securely together. So take one piece of paper and cover the entire piece of paper with a layer of glue stick. Try and spread out any clumps because if you are coloring on that paper, it will be like a bump that you have to color over. So I've covered my whole paper in glue, and now I'm going to place the second paper on top and sandwich those down. This is going to create like a cardstock that will give some more structure and strength to our finished sculpture. Now what I would like you to do is to plan out the letters that you'd like to include in your sculpture. So you can do the letters of your name like I've done, or if there's another word that you would like to do, or if you just have letters that represent different things for you, like the first letter of all your family members' names or something like that. But I'm going to go ahead and do my surname again for you guys. And the first thing that I'm going to do is actually just gently draw those letters nice and big on my paper. So my S, I know that it's SCHORTGEN, so I'm gonna fit them all as big as I can on the paper. In fact, I want you to take up your whole piece of paper. So now that I have lightly sketched out all my letters, I am now going to do the hardest part. I am going to actually design my letters with a specific kind of font. We remember all those fonts that we created in our Zoom class. And I can reference back to some of those ideas that we came up then, but on your table there will also be a sheet of some other typography ideas. So, for each letter, I think it is wise to try and do a different font, or what you can do is to create some unity in your sculpture. You can try and create all the letters as the same font. So now take your letters and let's go ahead and make them bolded with your pencil. So however it is that you're going to do your font, we really want our letters to be kind of bulky. We want them to have some strength to it. In fact, the more paper they have, the better your sculpture is going to be. So the less things I have to cut out of my paper, the better. If all of your letters are quite skinny, it will be a little flimsy, your sculpture. So take your pencil and let's go ahead and continue making all of our letters. Okay, so I have taken my pencil and designed all of my letters. Some of them are a bit rough, but I'm going to go ahead next and refine them using my permanent marker. So in your basket, you will have a zebra pen. And the next thing that you can do is go ahead and outline all of your letters exactly how you want them to be. Once you do that, we will go ahead and erase all of our pencil. Last thing that I need to do is go ahead and use my eraser to refine all of that pencil away. And then if I am done with this step, I can begin using my color pencils at my table to add some designs to the front of these letters. Okay, boys and girls, your goal today is to finish creating the design of your typography on your paper. You can either create them in different fonts like this one or all in the same font. I went ahead and was inspired by my graffiti font and decided to do my name in all of the same font on your paper. That is fine with me. Okay, boys and girls, you may get started.